Hello everyone, welcome to Daruma Cooking. Last weekend, I went to the market and found 2 Korean instant noodles. So today, I decided to make Chappaghuri for lunch. So what is Chappaghuri? Chappaghuri is a combination of 2 different types of Korean instant noodle, Chapagetti and Neoguri. Chapagetti has an aromatic flavor and sweet taste sauce, so it is not a spicy noodle. While Neoguri has seafood taste and it has strong spiciness. The combination of these 2 dishes making it a very aromatic dish with an interesting flavors. Chappagetti began its popularity after cooking scene in an Oscar-winning movie Parasite. In the movie, the housekeeper prepared a bowl of chappaghuri for her rich master. Instead of using egg, the master asked to add beef sirloin into the chappaghuri to show the different class between rich and poor dish. By the way, as you see, I'm using bacon for my chappaghuri. So after take out the water, add the sauce. If you prefer not too spicy, you can add half from Neoguri spicy sachet. Mix evenly until water reduces and thicken. Next, you can add bacon and also egg, or maybe you can try adding beef sirloin too. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.